Yes, thank you so much. I'm Young Review. My project is designed to compare student performance based on their marks from mathematics and computer science subjects. Then as you see here, this is visual representation of their performance, and as you see, this is original data where there is no any cluster. Here, as you see, this is comparing marks from computer science and mathematics, and as you see, you can see that those students in this region are performing better than others. Then I also used this clustering algorithm called KMeans that used to group data in just fixed number of clusters. Then also I used this one called DBSCAN clustering. This is another clustering algorithm, but unlike this KMeans clustering, this is one that groups data based on data density, right? So about data visualization, I used this tSNE, where it visualizes the data in higher dimensional, like 2D or 3D, right? So I also used it with this DBSCAN to present those data in a correct way. So finally, I also represent here DBSCAN noise detection. It means that those noise detection to me are those data which are outliers. For example, those represented by this green color are those data which are in outliers. So thank you so much.